let's be real. All of us want that glow up, clear skin, shiny hair, soft lips, and that effortless beauty. But the problem is most glow up tips need so much time and expensive skincare items that can cost more than your entire monthly expenses. And girl, we don't have time or money for that. That's why in today's video, I'm giving you the ultimate glow up guide, using things you already have at home. No spending, no stress, just home remedies and real fast results. So if you're ready to glow different this week, keep watching because this is going to change your self-care game. Tip number 1. Face massage. Okay, beauty queens, first up, we're starting with that face. This is your 60-second daily face massage that instantly lifts and sculpts your face. Here's how. Apply a bit of coconut oil, aloe vera gel, or your moisturizer. Use your fingers to gently massage upwards from your jawline to your cheekbones. Then go in circular motions from your nose up to your temples. Finish by pressing your fingers from the middle of your brows up to your forehead. Do this for 1 minute every morning. It'll boost blood flow, give you a natural glow, and even help reduce puffiness. Tip number 2, natural lip filler effect. Let's fix those lips, babe. We're going from cracked to kissable real quick. Try this DIY lip plumper that feels like magic. Mix a pinch of cinnamon with a few drops of coconut oil. Pull it on your lips for 5 minutes. You'll feel a tingle. That's the plump happening. Wipe it off and apply your favorite lip balm or Vaseline. Want an everyday natural tint? Rub a tiny bit of pomegranate juice or raspberry juice on your lips. Stop licking your lips. I see you. That just dries them out even more. Hydrate, moisturize, repeat. Tip number 3, lazy girl skincare routine. Okay, not everyone has time for a 12-step skincare routine, so here's the lazy girl glow-up routine that works. Morning, wash with cold water plus gentle cleanser, moisturize, and slap on sunscreen. Night, double cleanse, especially if you wore makeup, then use aloe vera gel or rose water before bed. Twice a week, use this Easy Glow mask. Mix honey, turmeric, just a pinch, and yogurt or milk for 15 minutes. Rinse off. Girl, you'll wake up glowing like a glazed donut. Tip number 4, hair magic without salon prices. Let's talk about hair. We're aiming for shiny, long, healthy strands. No heat tools, no salon treatments. Massage your scalp with warm coconut or castor oil twice a week. Rinse your hair with rice water once a week. Just soak clean rice in water for 24 hours. Strain it and pour it after shampooing. Leave for 5 minutes. Ditch cotton pillowcase. Switch to satin or silk. Your hair will thank you and you'll wake up frizz-free. Bonus tip. Braid your hair loosely before bed to avoid breakage. Tip number 5. Pretty hands and nails. Your hands speak before you do. Let's make them say, I've got my life together. Soak them once a week in warm water with a spoon of lemon juice and honey. Push back cuticles gently and trim dead skin. Massage your nails with a mix of coconut oil and a drop of vitamin E oil. Rub the inside of an orange peel or use a baking soda paste, and always keep a mini hand cream in your bag. Moisturized hands are a lifestyle. Tip number 6, smell good always. You want to be the girl that walks past and everyone says, wow, she smells amazing. Here's how to be her. Apply Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying perfume on your hairbrush, then run it through your hair. Make a DIY body mist with rose water plus a few drops of essential oil, even if you're in PJs all day. Smell like a whole fairy garden. Tip number 7, body glow boost. Glowing skin isn't just for the face. Let's glow everywhere. Mix sugar plus coffee plus honey plus olive oil and scrub your arms and legs once a week. Aid or showering while your skin's still damp, apply baby oil or coconut oil to lock in that moisture. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. It's the real secret to glowing skin. No glow up is complete without hydration. Tip number 8, confidence and posture glow up. This is the final and most powerful one. You ready? Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Not for the world, but for you. Do 10 shoulder rolls in the morning and night while brushing your teeth. Practice standing tall. Stretch like a cat. Try the cat-cow stretch every day. It'll help your back and boost energy too. Confidence is a free accessory. Wear it daily. And that's it, my sunflowers. 8 free glow-up hacks that will make you feel like the best version of yourself without spending too much money. Until next time, stay glowing, stay kind, and stay you.